So this actual video is going to be based upon the two-color Notan design, the non-black and white. So obviously you're going to need a color in the background to get yourself started. So there's something that you really haven't done too much of yet, is putting in a background color. It's not like you just paint bucket in and add that in. You're actually going to go ahead and you're going to start with a rectangle shape. You're going to go ahead and drag that over the top. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and make that a little bit smaller. Just like, oh, sorry. So make sure it fits. And then you can go ahead and change that fill to whatever your first color is. I would suggest removing the outer stroke. You don't need that. So that is it. You can see it's got a black line. Again, I'm going to remove that outer stroke. I'm good to go. That black line is just my page size. At this stage, you can now start working on my regular design. I'm going to go ahead and fill that with that second color. Let's say I'm going to do, I'm going to change it so it has a little bit more contrast for some. I've got my two-color design started right there. So that's going to be my basic starting point. I'm going to find center. There it is. Tells me center. I just found it. I can continue working off of this then for my two colors. So again, that's how you're going to go ahead and put your background color in to start with. And then you're going to go ahead and use another single color in your foreground. The last thing I want to say is in case you lose track of what colors you're using, you may need to use that little eyedropper tool so you can actually click on something and actually find the color that you need. Let's say I wanted the background orange, and now I'm going to come in and change this one to the green. Okay? So you've got a lot of those options when it comes time for you to be working. You want to make sure that you've got some good workflow so that you can have a really great piece. So really, like I said, it's going to be a short video just showing you how to put a background color, a review in using a couple of tools, including the eyedropper tool to pick that color. Don't forget your Pathfinder. That's the one, Windows Pathfinder. I'm going to actually go back to that. Pathfinder, it should pop out for you if it's not there already. And the other one that I'm going to just kind of explain again is that minus the front, and I'll have that on video now, so I'm going to put that in really quick. So I'm doing minus the front. I'm going to come in. I'm going to go ahead and hover over where about halfway of that shape is, wherever I want to cut it. Notice I get that pink line. That's where I'm going to click and drag a box over. I'm then going to select, oops, sorry, let me select both of them. I select that one, shift, and that one. So I'm good to go there. I've got two items selected, not the background. And I'm going to come over to my Pathfinder and find minus the front. That's how I get my half